Bird flu, also known as avian influenza, is a viral respiratory infection that infects mostly birds, but sometimes humans and other animals can catch it too. Birds can catch and spread the disease through shared water sources and contact with other wild bird species. Humans can catch it through contact with handling infected domestic poultry. It transmits through infected bird feces, nasal secretions, or secretions from the eyes or mouth. Also, people could potentially get it from consuming runny eggs or undercooked bird meat from infected birds. There's a variety of symptoms in birds, from being less active than usual, loss of appetite, nervousness, lower egg production, combs and wattles becoming swollen with a blue discoloration, through to coughs, sneezing and diarrhoea. But a vet would still need to diagnose this, as many other ailments cause various symptoms that are just like this bird flu. Symptoms in people are quite similar to normal flu: coughing, diarrhoea, respiratory difficulties, fever which is over 38 degrees Celsius, headaches, muscle aches, malaise, runny nose and sore throats. An outbreak can take 14 days to spread through your flock. And like humans, some birds may get no symptoms at all, but others may die quick. Yet all could be potential carriers. If you think you have it, CDC has approved a test designed to identify avian influenza, the AH5 virus. But this is hard to come by, so your doctor can do certain tests if you suspect bird flu, such as chest x-rays and assessing the functioning of your heart, kidneys and liver. To protect your poultry, it's necessary to keep your birds under cover as best you can, so you can have an enclosure protected from wild bird droppings, and movable coops should be kept in the same spot to avoid coming into contact with wild bird poop on fresh ground. Keep your birds' food and water in a fully enclosed, sheltered area and remove any spilled feed regularly, keeping your equipment clean and tidy, and have regular disinfectant routines on hard surfaces. And protect yourself by removing or cleaning your footwear and clothes once you're out of your chicken area, and washing those hands and cooking your eggs and meat thoroughly.